Hello, welcome to my unboxing of this amazing 1/6 scale Miles Morales figure by a company called Young Rich Toys. They did a amazing job with this figure. You could tell they were absolute fans of the show. Full disclaimer, I am not a professional. I don't have professional equipment, audio, so bear with me till all that stuff gets here. This is my first video, so I wanted to share with you this amazing figure. So let me get this thing off of the turntable and we will bring him out. Alright, here it is. Really nice box. It's got that shiny bits to it. We don't have this style in the box, but to me it works really good. All this reflective stuff. And let's bring them out and see all of the accessories that come with him. That makes this one more special to me, in my opinion, than the Hot Toys one. This is sort of a, I guess, shoebox style box. Came really fast from Toys Wonderland, and immediately as soon as you open it, you get these really nice backdrops for when you're displaying him. Oh, and some really great stickers. Pretty nice. Oh, this is from, I mean, all this stuff is from the movie. Some cell phone stickers. And we'll get back to this. Great packaging, really protected, and there it is. Absolutely superb. Let me get this out of here. It's really great quality, and the head sculpt is really great. I know there was a lot of I guess people saying that he looks a little bit somber, but to me it's really great. Everything movie accurate. With his sweats, and this to me is the most important part of Miles Morales, and we'll get back to this later. This is what makes this figure way more better than the Hot Toys version, and there's two reasons why. Let's put him to the side and get all his accessories out. Here we have head sculpt. And it is wrapped in cloth, which is to me a really great touch. And I've seen other videos where these nose holes were kind of off-centered in other people's figures, and to me they're perfect placement. And they really captured his expression. You know that's Miles Morales in there. Sony headphones, really great. Not sure if you can see the branding in there. Yeah, there you go, Sony. Fully posable. Really great, really terrific. And extra hands. This one, you'll see later, this one is for him to hold the goober, if you remember in the movie. I believe this one is too. Maybe, I don't know, did they put two different? Yeah, two different ones. And the weird thing is he doesn't come with the thwip hands. I would really have liked to see him with the iconic Spider-Man thwip hands. Your funnel spiderweb, pretty much standard. I think all the Spider-Man 1/6 figures have something pretty similar to this. As long, or as well as this. This is pretty standard webbing. Actually, even the packaging is pretty much the same. Now here, underneath this foam is where it gets interesting. So let me readjust my camera and I'm gonna bring this stuff out. Alright, and here is where it gets really, I mean, you could tell that they were just really big fans of this movie, as was I. Pretty much the best Spider-Man movie to come out, in my opinion. They went above and beyond with the extra accessories that come with him. And you'll see right now, I'm going to pull everything out, get it all situated, and you'll see the attention to detail that they really put into this figure, which really shows to me that they were just simply fans of this movie. His yellow cape, if you can remember in the movie, where the where Peter B. Parker came out and told him the cape is a no. Really great touch. Really great touch. It has a wire in there so you could, pose it, get some really good wind effects on it. And really nice base. Oh, and actually here's the this is pretty neat. This is, you could kind of put this behind him or behind his head. This goes, in his neck joint, and it's his Spidey sense. Really neat. Now his base, I'm really liking the base. It is it's got the spray painted spider logo, with his own that he made. Really nice. Miles Morales, and I believe that is metal. Really nice. Really nice touch. This is metal. The nameplate is metal, not the this is plastic. But still really great. These two. What else do we got in here? Your flagpole stand, so you could get them in some really great poses. the clip to hold him on when he's on the pole. Really great. Foam padded on the inside. All metal construction. Now here's a cool part. This is a spray can. Because, you know, he was really into graffiti. Cap does come off. Really great. I might actually go in here and paint some detail on the can, kind of brand the can a little bit, I guess. Krylon or Montana, put that on there. This is his cell phone. I thought in the movie this was branded. I'm not too sure. I'll have to come back and look into it. But it's really basic. I'm not gonna display him with this cell phone. I'll put the sticker on it and everything, but it's really, really basic. And here we have the goober. Really neat. And here's the hand that it holds the goober. Really cool. His web shooters, of course, made for him by Aunt May. Again, no detail was left out of this. They really paid attention. This, I absolutely love this. I'm pretty sure this is 100% movie accurate. It is a really, really well done, well detailed piece. Miles Morales backpack. Got the buttons on there. They really didn't miss anything. Really great. All zips up. Pretty amazing. Now this is his shorts. Pretty iconic part of his outfit was he wore the shorts over it. And this is something special too as well. I'll get right back to this. But yeah, pretty standard, but really movie accurate. Metal belt buckle, metal clip. Really great. Now, this is something they really didn't have to do. But if you remember the movie, he bought this sort of costume, a child's costume. Didn't fit him. Looked kind of awkward on him in the movie, but was a really great touch that they actually did this. This is actually wearable. You could actually put this on the figure. I'm most likely I'm gonna display him with this version of him. Of course, you can open it up, close it back. I mean, just fantastic. Really, really great quality. Here we have the mask. It's just folded so he could hold it. And here's the suit. I mean, this is just, look at it. Even has the tag on there. Look at that. Oh, sorry about that. Really great, really great. Screen printed. It actually looks like it's gonna fit him awkwardly as well. Just like the movie. So now this right here, this to me is, it's the icing on the cake. I mean, everything is just done just fantastic, really, really great. But this is something they didn't have to do, but they did. And like I said, this movie was iconic in many different ways, but to me, the Jordans, his shoes really gave him personality, really helped him connect with I guess different types of people who collect, because this came out, when this movie came out, Nike came out with shoes from the movie, and they made them look, you know, cartoonish. They had the 3M printing on it. It was really, had iced soles, sorry, but it was really, really great. And they made the shoes that we were able to purchase to wear ourselves about this movie. I mean, Young Rich really went out of their way with this. Everything down to the T is all like a Nike box. I mean, has the size. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, my camera is just bad. But it says 8.5, which is my size. So, Young Rich came, certificate authenticity card from Young Rich. And would you look at that? I mean, come on. This is above and beyond. Let me bring this out. Icy soles. Even has the 3M dots that they had. Not sure if the camera's capturing that or not, but it even has the 3M reflective dots that the Jordans came with. This icy sole, I mean, this is next level right here. This is absolutely insane. Look at that. Incredible. I mean, I am going to actually display him with the shoes he has on, which were the Chicago ones, but this to me has Young Rich toys on my radar because I'm going to pay close attention to them. And here he is, just Miles and his backpack. So let me explain something first really quick. The joints are really loose, and I'll get into that later. It's really hard trying to stand him up. Let me try to turn on the turntable and see if he'll stay. Okay, looks like I got it. So again, the joints a little loose. It's not a big problem. It does have the stand, but you could see here it is ready to fall. But they did a great job on everything else. You could see the detail and basically every angle. So let me get the camera facing down and get a better look at his legs, or at the bottom half of Miles. Here it is. Here's the bottom half. Pretty movie accurate. Sweats and the Jordans, which to me is the main piece that makes this figure way better than the others. Now his ankle joints are what the problem is. They're not stiff. They don't really stay put. But for the most part, you can get him standing. I am going to put him on the base to keep him from tumbling over. But here you have it. Really great that they included both the Jordans, actually. Like I said, I am going to display in these Jordans, which are movie accurate, but let me get him off the turntable and I'll get more into the articulation and do some costume changes and some different poses. Here's a closer look at Miles. The head sculpt is really great. The hair is really great. Again, I do feel like he does look a little bit somber, but it's not a big problem. He does come with a lot of layers, so it does get kind of bulky at points. So it might be best to kind of put him in, sort of museum quality poses when you have this particular outfit on him. Only one layer here, of course. The socks are great, and those are actual socks, So let me get him into the other costume and I'll bring him right back out. And here is the second look, and let me tell you, it was really difficult getting him in this secondary costume. Again, it's supposed to fit him tight, and it felt really tight trying to put it on him. This was the look I was most excited for, but I don't think I'm going to go with it. I had to kind of cheat because the pockets don't open, so I had to take his hands off to give him that look, this sort of unsure of himself look. But I do really like it. I kind of found a trick. When you're putting the socks on, you kind of have to put them over the joints, and that makes it a little bit more stiff, but he still wants to fall over. If I had one complaint, it would be the joints. It's really hard putting him into any position without the display stand. I do really like this look. Again, this was one of my favorite looks in the movie. The belt was really hard trying to get it to clip, so I wasn't even able to do it. If you could see right here, I'm kind of getting a little tear in the socks. That's a really simple fix, but oh, and I forgot his backpack on this look. He's supposed to have the backpack on, but I forgot to put it on, mainly because I was trying to figure out how to put the hands in the pockets. I really wish those pockets opened up. Yeah, so see, the backpack should have been on him. It's a much better look. I actually like it a whole lot better with the backpack. Having the backpack itself might make me change my mind about this actual costume. So let me stop the turntable, and I'm going to do his last look, I guess, basically with everything off, just the sort of Halloween costume on. And I'm going to use the cape for a little bit, see how it looks. I don't like the cape too much, specifically because it was only in the movie for like a split second. So let me get him into that next look. And here is his final look, and let me tell you, I really enjoy this look. It's fun. As you can see, I put him on the display because I was just having too much trouble standing him up. I don't mind it. It doesn't bother me at all. I know a lot of people don't like the stands, but to me it's really great. And this look is going to be the winner for me. It's really cool. Let me see if I could zoom in a little bit. Yeah, there you go. I love the cape. I thought I wasn't going to like it at first, but it's really great. Oh, here's the little tag. I want to display that sticking out there like that. When he's on this display, he is really posable. There's a lot of different looks you could do. Again, you could really tell that is Miles inside that mask. They really nailed that sculpt. Really great. There is some, if you look down here, there is some, you can see some, I don't know what to call those, I guess mold lines, but it doesn't bother me too much. Honestly, I think Young Rich actually must have made a whole new body for this figure, which is pretty outstanding, because it's a lot of reason why the bodies are recycled, because it costs a lot of money to make a body, of course. So to me, it feels like a all new body, which is really great because it really captures his posture. So there he is, and I am going to still play around a little bit, see which sort of pose I like the best. But again, it's looking like this is going to be the winner right here. Tune in for hopefully more unboxings. I plan on getting a few more this month. Next is going to be Thanos. I have him actually underneath the table, and I'm going to reveal him next. It's going to be my second figure, and it is, the box alone is enormous. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me down below. I will try my best to respond. Thank you.